Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the most important and interesting topic tricks for determination, structure, geometry or shape, metal cluster. And next I discuss capping principle. So this is the most important for CSI, NEET, GATE and any entrance. So please don't skip the video. So start first tricks for determination, geometry or shape of metal cluster. First, number of metal atoms. Number of metal atoms. Second, cluster electrons. This cluster electrons means total valence electron or total electron count. We know. And bonding molecular orbital equal to cluster of electrons divided by 2. This is the half of the cluster of electron. And geometry. First, if number of metal atom 1 and cluster of electron 18, so half, this is 9 bonding molecular orbital, so form the geometry monomer. And number of metal atom 2 and cluster of electron 34, this is 70, so 17, so form dimer. And number of metal atom 3 and cluster of electron 48, bonding molecular orbital 24 divided by 2, so form triangle. And next, these four are very important, and 5 and also 6. These three are most important. Giving example, 4, 62, 31 butterfly in the year June 2020 CSIR net. Now when metal 4, the cluster of electron 60, so metal bonding molecular orbital 30, so form the tetrahedral geometry. And same, the metal atom same, 4, so cluster of electron 62 and bonding molecular orbital 31 form the butterfly. And metal atom same, but cluster of electron 64, so bonding molecular orbital 32, so form the square planar. And next, metal atom 5, cluster of electron 72 to form TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. And metal atom same 5, but cluster of electron 74 to form square pyramidal. And metal atom 6 and cluster of electron 86 to form octahedral. And same metal atom 6 but cluster of electron 90 to form trigonal prism. Next, suppose example I will discuss. Rhenium 4 CO16 2 minus. First calculate total valence electron, because this is less than equal to 4, so we know this is lower nuclearity carbonic cluster. So for first I draw total electron count method. Total electron count, we know this is rhenium, this is manganese family. We know manganese family means this is 3d 5 4s2, so total electron 7, so 7 into number of metal 4, so 4 plus 16 carbonyl contribute 2 electron plus 2 negative charge plus 2, so this is 28 plus 32 plus 2 equal to 30 plus 32 equal to 62. So 62 number of metal atom 4, this is 62, form the geometry is butterfly. So this geometry or shape is butterfly. Very easy, but these tricks remember. Second, I discuss another example in June 2020 CSIR net. Iron 4 carbon CO whole 12 2 minus. This question for determine the shape or geometry of the metal cluster. First, calculate total electron count or total valence electron equal to number of metal 4 and iron is 3d 6 4s2, so total electron 8 4s2, so total electron 8 into number of metal 4 plus carbon intercluster compound, so this is 4 valence electron, so this is 4 plus CO 12 into contribute 2 electron plus minus 2, so plus 2, so this is 32 plus 4 plus 24 plus 2, so calculate, this is 62. So 62 number of metal atom 4 62 number of metal atom 4, so this is butterfly geometry. So this is very easy. Now let's another example. Suppose iron 5 carbon CO 15. First calculate total valence electron equal to, now iron valence electron 8, so 8 into number metal 5 plus carbon 4 plus carbonyl 15 into 2, so 40 plus 4 plus 30 equal to 74. So number of metal atom 5, total valence electron 74, number of metal atom 5, total valence electron 74, cluster of electron, so from the square pyramidal geometry. So this is square pyramidal geometry. Next I will discuss capping principle. This is the most important topic. This capping principle is valid for HNCC. This is higher nuclearity carbonyl cluster. Capping principle. First, in case of HNCC, this is higher nuclearity carbonyl cluster. High nuclearity carbonyl cluster or LNCC, lower nuclearity carbonyl cluster. If you don't know, please check in the link in the description box. So high nuclear carbonyl cluster, first calculate total electron count. Second, we calculate polyhedral electron count. Third, we calculate polyhedral electron count by 2. In polyhedral electron count by 2, this is if the value n minus 1, this is super closure, we know. N, this is hyper closure, and n plus 1, this is closure, n plus 2 a nido, and so on. Now let us, in polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to m, the number of vertices equal to m minus 1. First calculate polyhedral electron count by 2 and calculate number of vertices m minus 1. So if number of vertices equal to 4 from the tetrahedral geometry. If number of vertices calculate and value 5, so from TBP, trigonal bipyramidal, 6 from octahedral, 7 from pentagonal bipyramidal, and 8 dodecahedron, and so on. Start, I discuss capping principle. In capping principle, first I see n greater than equal to m, where n equal to number of metal atoms in metal clusters. M, this is the m value, m minus 1, this is m equal to, we know, this is polyhedral electron count by 2, so this is m, this is m. This is the rule for capping principle is valid. This is the valid principle. If n greater than m, this is not valid capping principle. Not valid capping principle. Capping principle is not valid. Now, example. In rhodium 6 CO whole 16. This is number of metal N greater than equal to 5, greater than equal to 5. So we know greater than equal to 5. This is higher nuclearity carbonic cluster. First we see this is higher nuclearity carbonic cluster. Then we calculate total electron count. Total electron count rhodium. This is cobalt family. Cobalt we know this is 3d6 4s 3d7 sorry 3d7 4s2. So total electron 9. So 9 into how many? Rhodium 6 plus CO 16 into 2. This is 54 plus 32 equal to 86. Total electron count 86. And then polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into N. Total electron count 86 minus 12 into, now N means number of metal, 6 equal to 86 minus 72 equal to 40. And polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. So 7 we know this is N plus 1 equal number of metal 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So this is N plus 1 rule. This is N plus 1 we know this is Closure geometry. And another, this is M, N equal to this is M. So we know number of vertices calculation, we know this is M minus 1. So M minus 1 equal to M equal to 7. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6. So number of vertices equal to 6. But number of vertices equal to 6. So this is the octahedral geometry. Octahedral. But capping principle is valid or not? First check N equal to number of metal 6 and M equal to 7. This is M greater than N. So this is not valid capping principle. First I discussed N greater than M is not valid capping principle. So the geometry closure octahedral. The geometry closure octahedral. So next I discuss another example. Osmium 7CO21. This is 7, so this is a high nuclearity carbonic cluster. So first calculate total electron count equal to 7. This is iron family, so total valence 8 plus 21 into 2 equal to 56 plus 42 equal to 98. And polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into N. Total electron count 98 minus 12 into number of metal 7. So 98 minus 84 equal to 14. Polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. So 7, this is the M value, and N equal to 7. So 7 equal to N plus 0 or N. So this is hyper closure we know. And M, so number of vertices equal to M minus 1. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6. So this is octahedral. But if N equal to 7, M equal to 7, so N equal to M, we know N greater than equal to M, means N equal to M or N greater than M. So this is valid for capping principle. And number of metal 7 and number of vertices 6. So one vertices, one metal capping So this is mono capped, one metal cap. So this is mono capped octahedral geometry, mono capped octahedral geometry. So this complex mono capped octahedral geometry and also hyperclojo. Another example, osmium 8CO22 2 minus. So this is high nuclearity carbonic cluster. So calculate total electron count equal to 8 into 8 plus 22 into 2 plus 2 equal to 64 plus 44 plus 2 equal to, this is 110. And polyhedral electron count equal to we know total electron count minus 12 into n. Total electron count 110 minus 12 into number of metal 8 plus 110 minus 96 equal to 14. Polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. So 7, this is the m value, and number of metal n, this is n value n. So this is 8 minus 1 equal to 7, 8 minus 1 equal to 7. This is n minus 1, n minus 1 is, this is super closure, we know this is super closure, and the value m. So number of vertices equal to m minus 1 equal to 7 minus 1 equal to 6, we know 6. So this is octahedral, but m equal to 6, m equal to 7 and n equal to 8. So n greater than m, so valid capping principle. How many metal capped? Principle, how many metal capped? 2 metal. This is 8 and 36 6. So 2 metal capped. So this is bi-capped. This is bi-capped octahedral structure. Bi-capped octahedral structure and also superclosure. So this is all about capping principle and structure determination metal cluster. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. Next day I will discuss more tricks, more content. So please stay with me. Thank you.